This is how to use the Lumi Wallet. You're going to go on your phone. You're going to go ahead and go to the app Lumi Wallet. Click on it. You're going to have to use your PIN. Now this is the basic setup right here. Now if you want to go to your send wallet where you can receive money or send money, you're going to look at the bottom right here. But if you want to use different receive wallets, you're going to go to the top right, the three lines on the top right. You're going to click that. Then you're going to click general. Once you click general, you're going to go to wallet addresses. Once you click that, you're going to go Bitcoin addresses. Okay, your external chain. Now these are all different wallets. There's about 100 of them in your external chain. If you send money to any of these, it will go to this Lumi wallet on your phone. So let's look at the first one. All you do is you click it, and right there it says address copied. Now once you have that, then you'll be able to basically paste that inside of any app or anything you want. So you would basically do that inside the giving box and you would paste it. That would be the number, and then you would say number one wallet on a spreadsheet so you know which one is which. And then you're done. And then you could use each one of these. These are all different wallets basically, but they all go back to the same receiving account, your Lumi account on your phone. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.